In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print long columns in Excel. If you've ever tried to print a wide worksheet and ended up with columns getting cut off on the right, this walkthrough is for you. The goal is to make every column fit across the page without cramming the entire sheet onto a single, unreadable page. We'll use Excel's built-in scaling so your data stays legible while spanning as many pages as needed vertically. Start by going to the File tab. You'll find it at the top left of Excel. This opens the Backstage view, which is where all the core document tasks live, like saving, sharing, exporting, and of course, printing. It's a great habit to glance here whenever you need to manage how your workbook leaves the screen and goes onto paper. Next, choose Print from the sidebar. The moment you do, you'll see a print preview on the right. This is your reality check. If your worksheet is wider than the printable area, the preview will show columns trailing off to the next page or margins clipping your data. You can also see how many pages your current settings will use. Take a second to scan the first page or two in the preview so you know what you're fixing. Now for the key setting, click on Fit All Columns on one page. You'll find this in the scaling options within the print settings. By selecting it, Excel automatically reduces the scale just enough to squeeze every column into the width of a single page. The important detail here is that it only constrains the width. Your rows are allowed to flow onto as many pages as necessary vertically, which is exactly what you want for long lists. This preserves readability because you're not forcing the entire sheet onto one page. Only the columns are being fit across. After turning this on, look back at the preview. You should see every column appear on the first page, with additional pages continuing downward for the rest of your rows. If the text looks too small, consider light, non-print setting adjustments in your sheet, like narrowing overly wide columns, hiding helper columns you don't need on paper, abbreviating lengthy headers, or wrapping text in tight cells. Small layout tweaks can make a big difference without changing the print steps you just took. Use the preview zoom to sanity check that the final output will be crisp and readable before you commit to paper. That's it. File, print, and fit all columns on one page. With these three actions, you'll get clean, complete prints of wide datasets without losing columns off the edge. Thanks for watching, and happy printing.